Now back to that breaking news from overnight. 2 News first on the scene. A man stabbed to death when a nightclub fight got out of control. 2 News reporter Jamil Donath is live there now with the latest on what happened. Jamil.
Yes, we are here at a East Tulsa club where police say they found the victim in the parking lot. This is Club Imperio, and police say they transported the victim to the hospital where he died of his injuries. Now, officers say this all went down around 2 o'clock this morning, closing time. Investigators say the situation had actually started inside the nightclub earlier in the evening with a fight they believe was started between 2 gang members. But security broke it up. Once police started leaving, the fight started up again. When police arrived there were still about 200 people in the parking lot.
When they began closing down the club, the large group come out to the parking lot. An extremely large fight then escalated in the parking lot while security was trying to break it up. Someone produced a knife, stabbed the male in the chest.
Police were leaving the scene very quickly in their cars, and police say a driver hit one of the security guards. He was not seriously injured. Now, detectives believe that the victim who was killed was the father of one of the gang members, but was not related or involved in the fight. And currently, police are interviewing witnesses at this time. And if you have any information, you can call the Crime Stoppers. Live in East Tulsa, Jamil Donath, 2 News Works for you.